Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by Vogelzang. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the exhaust blower on the VG5770. Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. The tools needed for today's project include a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 inch wrench, and a 7/16 inch socket and ratchet. Please make sure your stove is completely cooled before attempting to do any maintenance and/or repairs to your stove. To start your project, you must first disconnect the power from your stove. Now, using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel to the stove. Once the screws are removed, the panel can easily be removed from your stove. Next, remove the screws securing the side panel to the stove. Once the screws are removed, the side panel can be removed from your stove. Prior to removing the exhaust blower, the exhaust thermodisc will need to be removed. Disconnect the 2 wires on either side of the thermodisc. Now, remove the 2 screws from the disc. The thermodisc can now be removed from the stove. Next, disconnect the wire leads coming to the blower from the wiring harness. Now, using your socket, remove the bolt securing the blower motor to the stove housing. Be sure to support the blower motor with one hand as you remove the final bolt. Once the bolts have been removed, the blower can now be removed from your stove. Now is a good time to check the condition of your blower gasket. If the gasket is frayed in any way, the gasket will need to be replaced. To install your new exhaust blower, hold it in place with one hand and then replace and tighten the bolts. Now, connect the wires back to the wiring harness. You can now replace the thermodisc. Then insert and tighten the screws. Now, reconnect the 2 wires on either side of the disc. You can now replace the side panel, then insert and tighten the screws. Next, replace the back panel. Then, insert and tighten the screws. Now that your project is complete, you may reconnect power to your unit and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at vogelzang.com or give us a call at 1-800-222-6950. Thank you for watching this edition of Burn Tech University.